I'm back, and I'm here to reveal the secrets that will unlock your wealth in 2024. In my break, I took on a client who had overspent his budget and was millions of dollars in debt. I said to him, "Sorry, you can only afford 2 reindeer for next Christmas." Whoa! I was ruthless. I slashed his budget. But if you follow my finance tips this year, you will be able to afford all the reindeer you want.
Yes!
Coming up soon, the new work bonus for pensioners, which allows you to hide your income from the tax office legally, I hope. N100 versus NTQ. Is the N100 the NASDAQ replacement that we've all been hoping for? They've slashed the fees by half. And what are the best super funds? Which super fund allows me to invest directly in stocks and ETFs that I choose? Is using leverage good or dangerous? And lots more juicy viewer questions. What are the best dividend stocks in 2024? All this and much more. Coming soon.